Hey you guys, it is Adam and welcome back to my channel. Okay, one thing I want to clear is why I am not ready for the video is because I just woke up 1 hour back. I woke up at 2 p.m. today. I had a lot of work to do, but yeah, can't help it. I slept for 12 hours straight. Disclaimer. And yeah, in today's video, as you guys can see in the title, we are going to be doing a body care haul. That is, I'm going to be suggesting you guys body care products that I love. Some of them I did love, but I might not buy them again. But most of the products are just chumma out of the world. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Let's get into the products. And yeah, let's go. Also, the two injections that I got for dog bite, they both have made like they separate two patches here, which is not going. I don't know if it's ever going to heal, but yeah. Going into the first product that I have is the Love Beauty and Planet's Murmuru Butter and Rose Bountiful Moisture Body Wash. Now, this is not a body gel, it's a body wash, and it is from Love Beauty and Planet. And if you guys do not remember, or if you guys are new here, I got this particular product from Smitten, like a trial product, because I thought, let me just try this out and then see how it works. And I am super glad that it did give this variant a try because this smells super good. I wish you guys could smell it. It's just like a rose, but not the ordinary rose, like a rose dipped in honey and butter. That is what it smells like. And because it has murmuru butter, like the one of the main ingredients in this body wash is murmuru butter. The butter that is used in this, the murmuru butter, it leaves your skin super moisturized and hydrated. It does not have like a long lasting effect. Like if you're going to take take bath with this, it is going to last you maybe 30 minutes. Not It's not long lasting. That is the one con of this product. But if you're going to keep that aside, you the moment you step out of the bathroom, you are going to smell absolutely freaking delicious. I'm not joking. I wish it was long lasting because then you could like smell super good for a long period of time. But that is not the case in this. However, I am going to get it. I still have this product. I got it maybe 7 8 months back, and I still have quite a little product remaining because I use this only on special occasions. Like, okay, if I have to go out, like maybe like with some special people, only then I use this because this smells absolutely delicious, and I don't every time use it. It is my absolute favorite. Sometimes what happens is uh body washes may smell good, may have the longest lasting effect, but they do not actually clean your skin. But this is not like that. Along with having a beautiful scent, it also cleans and hydrates your skin, and it leaves a glowing effect on your skin. Absolutely getting this a bigger version, and you could also go for this. It smells really good, it works really good, it leaves your skin glowing. Going to the second thing that I have is a Dove Body Love Body Cream, and it is a deep moisturizing body cream from Dove. Okay, and this is not mine, to be honest. This is my mom's. Recently, what happened is I think, yeah, I used the exfoliator that I got from Chemist and Play, the body scrub, and I right after applying that I wanted to moisturize my skin, and I don't really use a moisturizer for the body. All I use is a body oil, which I'm going to be talking about later on in this video. So I did not have a body moisturizer, right? So just going through my fridge, like in our house, on the fridge also there are things like maybe somebody's Callista's rubber band or something. There are things on our fridge, okay? Indian household. So I got this body cream, and then seeing this, no, Dove, I understood it's my mom's because my mom is literally Dove's brand ambassador. Everything she uses is Dove. I don't know what's with her and Dove, but yeah, she had this. And then I opened this and I read it first, like Body Love Beauty Cream. And then I was like, oh, maybe it's a body moisturizer. And she's not even used it. She's also like me, got these judicially using things, a skill from her. And she also doesn't use a lot of product. Like she's done so small hole to use a product. And I was like, okay, let me just use it. She should not come to know. And this is what the consistency is like. This smells super, super, super good. Okay, and after I used this moisturizer, I have literally robbed it from her. It's in my room, and she's been searching for it in the whole house. And I'm not going to say it's with me because she is going to take it back. But this is so moisturizing. I hope you guys could smell this product. It's a perfect product when you are exfoliating your hands, because this is a very lightweight moisturizer. Smells pretty great. The smell does long last. Okay, and it does moisturize and hydrate your skin so well. So this is again definitely a new explored thing in my house, which is not mine, but I'm in love with this, and I might just get one for myself, but in a different variant, because I do want to try other variants. This right here smells like roses. It smells like roses and like fresh powder smell it has, and it is a water-based moisturizer, and I really like this one as well. It is super moisturizing. Okay, going on to the third product that I have is my sunscreen, the one and only sunscreen I got my hands on, the body sunscreen that I use from Wishcare, and I'm so glad I didn't have to like go on to different other sunscreens to find my one sunscreen, because I got this one, and the moment I used this I knew it was the one and only sunscreen that I want to use. I love this sunscreen. Okay, so this is the sunscreen from Wishcare, and it is a body lotion. It is a broad spectrum sunscreen. It is SPF 50 plus, and it has PA triple plus properties. Super lightweight. I love the packaging because it has like a pump like packaging. So you just take a product here. As you can, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the consistency. It is super creamy, just like the uh, body cream that I used, and it does absorb quickly on your face. I don't know, some people tell like in reviews that it has white cast. It does. It might have white cast, okay? Like you guys clearly didn't see any white cast here, but okay, it might have white cast. But you just need to, blend the sunscreen properly, even if it gives you white cast. Because coming to the consistency, the formulation, everything about this sunscreen is super, super nice. Finally found a right product in one go for me. That is what I felt like. Part of the reason why I love this sunscreen is because on the product it is written it's a body lotion, and because it is a body lotion, it absorbs really well on your body, and it gives you high protection. It is super moisturizing as it has ceramides, it has glycerin, it has oat, it has squalene, and it has hyaluronic acid. And you guys know how much hyaluronic acid helps in moisturizing your hair, your skin, your hands. It is the most moisturizing thing you could ever have. Not only does it have these things, it also has niacinamide, which has anti-inflammatory properties, which is again super good. Now, I don't like this sunscreen only because it has like so many properties, good properties, but also if I am talking about the sunscreen being economical, it is super affordable. One, the quantity you get for the price is again really great. I got this in April, like this year April, during my birthday, because I was on a vacation, and I still have this much product. So whatever you're paying is worth it, because one, the product works super well, and the other is it is very kid friendly. It has a very good quantity that you could use for a longer period of time. So keeping all these things in mind, this is the best sunscreen. Okay. No cap. Okay, talking about the next product that I said earlier, I use a body oil, and you might have already guessed what body oil I use. But for those of you all who do not know, the body oil I use is from Plum, and it is their Body Lovin' body oil, which is in my absolute most favorite variant ever in anything. It is the vanilla vibes. Now, I am not a vanilla fan. I just love the smell of vanilla, and if you are a vanilla girly, I didn't even know I was a vanilla girly until I met this product. But if you are a vanilla girly, guys, you will be sold in having this product, because this literally makes you smell like a vanilla cupcake. I'm not even kidding. And it has high vanilla notes. Why? As to why I love the variant is and it has vanilla notes, it has vanilla flavor, it has the vanilla essence flavor, everything vanilla you could take and you could put in this bottle, because that is the smell of the vanilla in this. Like, it's the most vanilla thing I've ever smelled. Nobody could ever really make me use a body oil because I don't like oil, okay? Any kind of oil, because oil is sticky and whatever. So even applying oil on the head is like a big task for me. I don't like it. I can eat oily food. That's a different thing, okay? You're applying a body oil and then by chance you sweat. Your sweat and oil, everything is going to make so sticky. So I was never sold on to having a body oil. While I was getting sample products from Smitten, I came across this body oil, and which was in the vanilla vibes. I've already tried the vanilla vibes body mist and I was loving the variant. So I was like, okay, let me just get the body oil. And I did see reviews before getting it. And this body oil has literally changed my perspective because it is not at all sticky. Okay. It is not sticky. It just absorbs in your skin so well. My skin is moisturized AF today because I'm applying everything on my hands. But yeah, it is so moisturizing. It gives you a very vanilla smell. However, the fragrance of this body oil is a little different from the mist, maybe because when you're using different ingredients to make an oil, the fragrances or ingredients can alter. Maybe that leads to a different smell from that of the body mist. But this is again very hydrating, very moisturizing. I love using this, especially when I've just got my hands back. However, I do feel like this is the best body oil for the winters. For summer and rainy season, I don't think I would use it. For the winters, yes, it is a good moisture like body oil. If you wanna like just give it a try, maybe you could use it because it is not sticky at all and it does hydrate quite well. So you could just go for this. Okay, and the last thing that I'm going to be talking about is a body mist. And again, yeah, this is a trial product that I got from Smitten because I've never really tried their Hawaiian Rumbas. And apart from the Vanilla Vibes, the Hawaiian Rumba is another product that everybody was talking about. So I got this. And this literally smells like a vacation, a tropical island, fruits with a little bit of vanilla notes. And it is not as long lasting as the vanilla bite one. This can last you up to 2 hours, while the vanilla one used to last for 3+ hours. That is the con about this product. The fragrance, if you are a person who can't take like very strong fragrances, this is the one for you because it has a very mild fragrance. It's very juicy, tropical, just like vacation smell. I don't wear it often, and once I am done using this, I think I'll go back to my vanilla mist because I didn't really like this product that much. But if you are a person who likes mild smells, you could definitely go for this because the smell is really nice. Okay, the fragrance is really nice, but it doesn't long last. If you're going to reapply this, it's a really good product. But if the vanilla vibes did not exist, I would definitely, this would be my go-to scent. But I love the vanilla, so this was not that great for me. Different people have different preferences. Some people may not like vanilla. So if you are not a vanilla person, you could definitely go for this body mist. It is also quite good. And with that being said, that was the end of the video. These are the body products that I use in my daily basis, and I would recommend you guys to use it. And if you do not use anything, it doesn't matter. Please use the Plum Vanilla Vibes. Just give it one chance and you will be in love. Trust me on that. I'm going to meet you guys in the next video, which I'll be posting tomorrow, but I am going to sit and shoot right after this video. So bye.